Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this old 15-inch AU Optronic display from 2 CCFL to our UB54 series LED kits. This kit comes with 2 LED strips, 1 LED driver, the newest one, and 1 wire harness. So let's set aside the LED kit first. Let's take a look at the screen. This is a little bit older screen they're using TTL interface. The screen part number is M150XN05 version 3. M150XN05 version 3. This one is same as the structure wise same as the M150XN05 version 6, which is commonly used on Allen Bradley 15-inch W display with the computers. It's the older one. So first we had to take a look at the screen. There's only 2 lamps. First we need to remove this metal films. So in order to remove this metal film, we have to remove the couple of the screws here. You see this? 2 tiny screws. So basically this screen's a little bit tricky to replace lamp or upgrade the LED because you had to disassemble everything because of its structure. Not like simply slice the reflector out, you have to disassemble everything. Second, we're gonna remove this cover, metal cover. So just be patient. If this is the first time you do, try to upgrade LED and just watch this video a couple times, so that way you get a better idea before you disassemble it. Okay, I never disassembled this one before, but this is the first time for me. So second, we're gonna remove this metal frames. Take this metal film out. Okay. Alright, just be patient, slowly. So we just took that screw out, so good. We come by this side, oops, this side. So just use your small flathead screwdriver. Alright, oops, this side is still intact. Okay, alright, you take it out, right? Set it aside. Okay, let me set it here. So usually I will use a piece of cardboard to carry the liquid glass. It's much easier. So I'm gonna flip over, see what happens. Sometimes they don't come up easily. So in that case, I would use, because in between the liquid glass and the plastic film, most of the time they put a double-sided tip on it. So I will use a thin plastic, or you can use just credit cut type of the plastic. So just stick in between, see where you can get in. You can see it. Okay, here you go. See that? So you can kind of go over. Yeah, make sure it's loose. Make sure it's loose. Now you're gonna flip over. Okay, just pull. Here we go. Okay, oops. I don't want to mess up the orders of the diffusion sheet. So let's set aside the whole thing for a second. And well, let me put it back. I need to put the diffusion sheet back. So let's take a look here. Diffusion sheet, you don't want to mess up the orders. So we'll hold him by this. Remove this double-sided tip. That's not a double-sided tip, just a tip that holds the diffusion chip together. Oops. This. Set aside. You can either reuse it or we can use a new one. Okay. Usually I will get a whole stack of the diffusion sheet. Just lay it on the top of the liquid glass. Now we can set aside the liquid glass, but do not put. As long as the fuse in order, so you don't need to worry about which side goes which side, because there's always a marking on both ends. You see, won't go wrong. So anyway, let's take a look here. We're gonna have to take out the wires here. Just be patient. Okay. All right, both ends. Take a look. we had to take out this plastic film too. Okay, we just took out diffusion sheet, everything, so we try to remove the backlight lamps. How we gonna remove this plastic cover? It's a little bit tricky because you cannot just take out the light guiding glass. So first thing you need to do, it took me for a while to figure out, you need to remove the reflector first. Okay, just grab it. If that's really difficult, on this end, you can see the end, you can push a little bit here. Just make it loose. So first you pull out, see this, one out. The other end, do the same thing. Oh, it's a little bit tight. In that case, you see this end? So you could push it, here we go. Okay. Oops. Now we can try to move the liquid glass out. I mean light guiding glass, you see this? Light guiding glass. Here we go. Oops, I don't want to have my fingerprint on it, so use it. Alright, so this one took it out. Okay, set it aside.